Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this wrench here. So this one's a kind of a specialized tool here that you don't normally see. This one can be used for removing castle nuts, ring barrels, buffer tube, flash holder, different things like that, ring barrel nut. So definitely kind of specific. A lot of maybe firearms use different things like this. So you'll see like on castle nuts and things like that. Just more of a specialized tool as far as removing different items that are not normally found in like your tool set here. So, you know, just regular screwdrivers and wrenches and things like that. So this is a pretty cool little item here, kind of handy. Sometimes you just run into some stuff where you don't have that specific tool for it. And this one has a few of them on there that could be quite useful. This is fairly solid chunk of metal here. Looks like it'd give you plenty of leverage if you need to loosen or tighten anything on that. So there it is there, my friends. Nice little tool for your toolbox. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.